Did you know that your face is made up of multiple different types of tissues? In the cosmetic world, this means that there are multiple different types of filler used to enhance each part of the face. Voluma is strong and it holds structure while still allowing natural facial expressions. Volux is a filler that mimics bone structure while holding a snatched look. Redensity II is a soft filler that easily fills hollowness. This filler contains L-arginine that is perfect for brightening the eyes. This filler is a great option for when you're looking to fill your tear troughs. Lastly, we have our RHA 2 and our RHA 3 that gives soft and pillowy results. This filler is most often used for the lips, and it integrates into the lips, allowing for movable expressions and prevents migration. Which filler are you choosing?